If you want to search for a song on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, what you can do is you can use circle to search. So you can press and hold your finger on the home button or the navigation bar, depending if you use 3 buttons navigation or gesture navigation. And after a couple of seconds, you will activate circle to search, and here we have this music note icon. You can tap on that button in order to let the phone listen to the background noise. And then if there is any song being played in the background, then of course you can try to get the song title. And if the phone catches it up, or if Google actually catches it up and it recognizes the song, then you should be able to get Google search result with that song title. Instead of activating circle to search, you can just add the search song option to the control center or quick settings. So if you open the control center, you can tap on this pen over here. Then we're gonna scroll down in here and we should be able to find song search option. So we're gonna drag and drop it to this upper side to add it to the control center. So then I can just use this button here to activate exactly the same thing. So I can now just wait to let the phone detect the song and get me a Google search result with the song title. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.